Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. If you are joining us from the previous video where we began troubleshooting your control panel, why? Because your washing machine is not turning on. This is option number 2. If you have not checked out option number 1, definitely check it out. There's a link at the end of the video. So with that said, in this video, it's option number 2. Let's take a look. At the washing machine, and again at this point you've got a washing machine full of clothes, full of detergent, and you're ready to run the cycle and clean these clothes. However, it is not turning on. So if you're joining us from option number 1, glad to have you. This is option number 2. With the actual unit plugged into the wall, we want to make sure it's plugged in and in the off position, which it will be in your case. Now let's head to the household electrical panel and locate the actual circuit breaker. At the household electrical panel now, go ahead and open up the door. You should have labels here. Number 23 is our washer, and it should be etched in on the side here, number 23. This is a 20 amp circuit. Let's shift the circuit breaker to the off position. And at this point, we want to leave the circuit breaker in the off position for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, let's go ahead and shift the circuit breaker back to the on position. Close the electrical panel door. Back at the washing machine, again, the power cord never was unplugged, so that's still plugged in. Go ahead and select the power button and see if yours turns on. If it is still not turning on, now it's time to move on to option number 3, which is checking the back side of this control panel and verifying that the electrical wiring is properly connected and there is no stress to any of the wires. Examples could be possible burnt wires or frayed wires or disconnected wires, which will ultimately cause this entire control panel to fault. That's it. Hope the video helps. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again.